The news Dogecoin is going to $10 is going viral. And also stay tuned till the end to know more about Coinbase IPO. What's good YouTube, Darryl here back again for more Dogecoin news. I'm back, yeah, I'm back. If you're new to this channel, do remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, I have a proper announcement. This is my new NFT. Go get it. Link is down in the descriptions below. If you get it, you'll be added to my Telegram group. Once you buy the NFT, just DM me on Instagram. And you will not only be added to our exclusive group, but you'll be collecting the next big collection. Cryptocurrency pets. This one is the Ethereum Husky. And there's going to be Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies coming out very soon with different breeds of dogs. So if you want to start collecting your cryptocurrency pets, do click the link down below and get your Ethereum Husky. First things first, I'd like to talk about Dogecoin in this video is about Yahoo Finance. Yeah, I know, a lot of YouTubers have been talking about it. Yes, I get it. Me, myself, I have this video as well about the CFA Thomas Young talking about Dogecoin reaching $10. But I just want to highlight a funny fact out. Yahoo Finance basically just took the article from Thomas Young and put it on Yahoo Finance. They didn't even modify anything at all. So basically, they're clickbaiting people.
Like how I do.
If you take a look at the article, it's literally word for word. They literally just took their article and shared it. It's just really amusing that big boys like Yahoo Finance even will take other people's news just to clickbait audiences. But I'm not saying it's a bad thing because it's absolutely a great thing for Dogecoin because this is free publicity. This is what I wanted to show you guys because no YouTuber is talking about it at the moment. ExchangeRate.guru is a platform where you can get a quote of the conversion rate by typing in the amount of USD to Dogecoin. It's just so convenient because I can put like $10 in and it shows me like this amount of Dogecoin. And it also shows the rate difference from day to day. They even showed the difference between 365 days. April 11, 2020, 10 USD could get this amount of Dogecoin. And now 1 year later, 10 USD, you can only get this amount of Dogecoin. This is so insane. Just take a look at it, how much it has appreciated. This website is so convenient for every time you want to buy some Dogecoin. Just come onto this website and get a quote here. I just like this website so much, I just had to share with you guys. But now for the moment you've all been waiting for, Coinbase IPO. But I know what you guys are thinking and want to hear. You want to know when is Dogecoin going to be listed on Coinbase? This kind of information nobody really knows, but my estimation, like I said before, would be in June. Because as of now, they're so busy with the IPO. Wait, is it really IPO? No, it's DPO, Direct Public Offering. Anyway, we'll get to that later. But right now, they're so busy with that process, so it's a bit difficult for them to do two things at once, to list Dogecoin and also focus on their DPO. Therefore, I can see them actually listing Dogecoin in the coming months. So just to give you a bit of background about Coinbase DPO.
What is a DPO?
Basically, the few points that you have to know about a direct public offering, because I'm not going to go too deep here, is that a direct public offering is less expensive than an initial public offering in most cases because you can cut the underwriter's commission out. You don't have to pay commissions to an underwriter because you don't need one. And the process of a DPO is not that simple. It involves a great deal of information gathering and preparation for registering a statement to file for the SEC. But in short, the DPO's main function is for the corporation to market itself to those who are capable of understanding and bearing the risk involved. So if you compare DPO and IPO, basically what it means is that a DPO, a company that goes DPO, tends to put more risk on the investors themselves. Coinbase has listed 114 million shares of stock, but as of now, we still do not know how many are available to be sold. And also the company has yet to reveal its proposed stock price. It is currently valued roughly 68 billion on the private market, but it would be raised to more than $100 billion. When taken into account its fully diluted share count. For the fiscal year in 2020, Coinbase reported revenue of 1.14 billion, up 139% from 2019. This helped drive their income to 322 million, up from a loss of 30 million in 2019, growing more than 2,000% to 527 million. That is impressive. For 2021's first quarter, revenue surged to 1.8 billion, a ninefold increase from 190.6 million in the prior year quarter, while tripling and exceeding its revenue for all of last year. Net income also soared and is expected to be in the range of $730 million to $800 million, which represented an increase of nearly 2,300% at the midpoint of its range. No doubt that its past few years' growth was absolutely insane, but in terms of share market, we are looking at the future, not the past and not the present. And based on the fact that nobody can actually predict the future, this is my take on whether or not we should buy the share of Coinbase on its DPO. In most high-risk stocks from the very start, I'm pretty sure that you and I can both agree that Coinbase is a high-risk stock. In most cases, like I said, most cases, not all cases, most cases, there's going to be a massive spike once the company goes public because the tension and the hype builds up before the company goes public. If you take a look at Coinbase right now, everyone is talking about it. It is the hottest stock to go public in 2021. So the anticipation for it to go public, a lot of people are already waiting to buy the stock. And a lot of people do not have the fundamental knowledge to buying this stock. Their mentality is to get a quick gain out from buying the stock and selling it to get the capital gains. However, if you're an investor, obviously you know that's not the case. You want to hold it for the long run and you invest in the company because you like the company and you know that it has very, very strong fundamentals. So what I can foresee is there's going to be a lot of hype investors coming in right from the very start. The price is going to go up and the people who are happy with their gains, they're going to sell it, causing a lot of the late buyers to panic because like, oh wow, it went up and now it's going down so rapidly. And the people who panic might not make such a hefty profit, but they also follow the mass psychology because as the stock price is dropping, they want to sell really quickly and they'll cause a massive dip right after a massive spike. But that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just purely for your entertainment. But this is what I foresee. So when am I going to buy Coinbase stock? I'll probably buy Coinbase stock when I see a massive dip right after the DPO and when I see a bit of bad news and a bit of pessimism from the articles that are being published about Coinbase stock. That's where I normally like to invest in the stock because that's where the whole market is not hyped about it and in fact they're trying to avoid it and therefore the price should be super cheap. Yes, even if by that time you buy it, it might dip further, but it gives you an opportunity to buy and average the price down. And that's how I see it and that's how I profited from many stocks that I bought in the past. I did that for many companies, Neo, Stitch Fix, Pinduoduo. There was always an initial hype when the company went IPO. And more often than not, there's always a massive dip when people just thought like, wow, this is just a hype. The company is not doing well, so I should be selling.
And that is good for me.
If you want to know my stock selection or my crypto selection before I post my videos, do remember to join my Telegram group by buying my NFTs. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.